Hello, and welcome to Science with Dr. D. I have a question for you. Have you ever bounced a bubble in your hand? What generally happens when you blow a bubble and you try to catch it or touch it? Right, it pops. But today, we are going to make a super bubble solution that you can take the bubble wearing a glove and you're going to be able to bounce the bubble and hold the bubble. Isn't that awesome? But we have to go over one important science term: surface tension, because that's what it's all about. That is how you're going to be able to bounce a bubble and hold the bubble. You have to know about surface tension though. So let's look at this quick demonstration of surface tension. Then we're going to go down to Dr. D's laboratory and we're going to make a bubble solution, and you're going to see me bounce the bubble and hold the bubble. And then I'm going to give you the recipe that you can do at home too. Are you ready to bounce a bubble and impress and surprise your family and friends? Well, let's go. Here we go. We are going to explain surface tension. Water molecules like to stick to water molecules. We can even say that water molecules are sticky. So when water is added 1 drop at a time to the surface of a penny, instead of the water rolling off of the penny, instead it forms a dome like you see here. This dome forms because the water molecules stick to each other on the surface until it can't take any more water. And then the water spills over the sides of the penny. This stickiness is called surface tension. And it is this surface tension which is why we are going to be able to create bouncing bubbles. Okay, so now we're going to make the bouncing bubble solution. Are you excited? I am. Okay, here it goes. So one of the first things that we're going to use is distilled water. Now, you do not have to use distilled water. You can use tap water. The reason distilled water is recommended is because it doesn't have a lot of the minerals that are in tap water, which makes a little better bubble solution. But if you have to use tap. It'll work. Okay? So we're going to take our tablespoon measurer and we're going to measure 1 tablespoon of water. Now we're going to put the soap in. Now the soap, they recommend Dawn. Whatever reason, the bubble people of the world said Dawn is the best detergent for making bubbles. So we need 1 tablespoon of Dawn. Are you excited? I am. I can't wait to see what happens. Now comes the secret ingredient. It is glycerin. This one is vegetable glycerin, but as long as it has glycerin, that's fine. Now, if you don't have glycerin, which can be found in the supermarkets, you can use table sugar, okay? So you would use 2 tablespoons of table sugar, okay? But for the glycerin, you only need 1 tablespoon of glycerin. So I'm going to pour in 1 tablespoon of glycerin. It's very, very thick. Okay, 1 tablespoon of glycerin, and I'm going to pour that in there. Okay, and then now I'm going to stir it. So I'm going to use a spoon, and I'm going to stir the solution. I need to put on the gloves. Now these are like felt gloves, so this is the best glove. So I'm going to put my glove on, and you can do both hands, because when you have both hands, you can volley the bubble back and forth. Yep. And then now I'm going to take my big straw first, and I'm going to make the first bouncing bubble. Here it goes. Awesome. Ta-da! Bouncing bubbles. Let's do it. You can even bam, bam, bam. You can do bouncing bubbles with your friends. Like I told you, it will eventually pop because the bubble dries out. And when the bubble dries out, it will pop. Make sure you put the right end in your mouth, okay? Because Dr. D just put the soapy end. Well, bouncing bubbles. Please go and make the solution. Show your friends, show your family what you learned. Explain to them about surface tension, because that's why the bubbles worked. What we did was we used surface tension, and by using the glycerin, we increased the surface tension of the water. Well, it was my pleasure spending this time with you. I hope you go and you make the recipe and you show bouncing bubbles to your family and friends. Thank you so much, and happy sciencing, Dr. D.